What's up guys, you can call me Modica, and today I have a 2025 full-size Bronco Big Bend. Now the Big Bend is the somewhat entry-level trim just to get your foot in a Bronco, but it still has all the functionality that all the other Broncos have, and you're not really missing a whole bunch. This specific car I have today is in a carbonized gray color. The engine that's in it is a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine that makes around 300 horsepower. This vehicle also has 17-inch rims, running boards, and blind spot monitoring. It's also worth noting that the specific vehicle I have is from All American in Old Bridge, and it's got the nice soft top. It also comes with a first aid kit. That's definitely an all-American thing in almost all their Broncos. One thing worth noting with these Broncos, the window goes up into the weather stripping there for a good seal when you're driving. But if you notice, when you open the door, it goes down a little bit just for you to get out. And then when you close it, it goes up for that good seal. Definitely a cool feature. But looking inside the 2025 Bronco, you have your first aid kit that comes with most of the cars at All American, at least. You do have heated cloth seats. If you wanted leather, you might have to go up a trim, maybe to the Outer Banks. You have your nice big screen, of course. All Broncos have that standard. It's really nice, comes with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and it also comes with YouTube, so you can watch while you're sitting. I will go through that when we get in the driver's seat. The steering wheel is not heated. Again, you need to go in a higher trim, but we're not about luxury here. We're about functionality, guys, so just keep that in mind. Also in the front, you have these nice little nets that you can hold water bottles or any of your other good stuff in there just to keep them tight when you're off-roading or just going on the street. Moving on to the back seat, you do also have a net and cloth seats. And surprisingly, you do have vents in the back in this trim. I don't know if it's this trim in general or just the specific vehicle I have here today, but that's definitely very nice. Not all of them had that, especially in the 24s. Moving on to the trunk, you do have your nice swinging Bronco door over here. Might have to give it a little push. This comes up in the soft top. You just gotta pull this down, pull that down, and kind of push it up. In here, you got some more storage, and you got your jack in case of emergencies, and also a fuel nozzle there. These are an option. These are tow hooks right here on both sides. Very cool to have in a Bronco. Now sitting in the driver's seat, let's go on and start her on up. So I will first go through the gauge cluster. Right now I'm at calm view. I like driving like this. I think it's just very simple. But you do have other options like your fuel economy. You got your driver's assisting, you got your gauges, and you got other options to choose from, trips and tire pressure and all that good stuff. But for me, I will keep it at calm view. Look at those. All right. Now I will go through this screen over here. So the first tab, you have your audio. You've got your music and all that good stuff. You can connect your phone. This does have navigation built in. You got your base apps here. Again, wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. You also have YouTube when you're parked. Of course, you got your settings. You can mess around with that stuff. There's a little features tab, driver's assistance. You can go through all your driver's assistant stuff and turn some things on and off, like lane keeping and pre-collision assist and all that good stuff. Also over here, you got your four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, and your GOAT modes or drive modes. So when you turn this, you could see going through here, slippery, eco, sport, sand, and mud and ruts. Definitely very cool. So you can set your specific conditions that you're driving in. It's very, and I like the animations. Now I will show you guys for educational purposes how to open up the soft top. So it's really simple. Up here you just have this little lever here. You just pull it down here, pull it down up there, And then you simply just, it's easier if you hop on out, but you simply just give it a good push. Well, that's a big spider web. You just give it a good push and you just flip it like that. But with all this being said, it's a car, so let's take it for a drive.